learn about the solar system. The Sun, the eight planets, and their moon, and small objects such as dwarf planets like Pluto, comets, and meteoroids, they all together make up the solar system. Our solar system has eight planets in their increasing order as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Pluto is now disappeared. Sun. The Sun is in center of the solar system and having huge extremely hot gases. It provides pulling force that bind the solar system. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and Mercury is the nearest to the Sun due to which it is extremely hot during the day and extremely cold during the night. Venus. Venus is the second planet and is the hottest and brightest of all the planets. It can be seen in the morning and evening and therefore it is known as the morning star or evening star. Earth. The third planet in the solar system is the Earth and it is the only planet where life exists. Nearly 70% Earth's surface is covered with water, due to which it is also known as blue planet. Mars. The fourth planet is Mars. Because of the presence of rocks and red soil, it is known as red planet. The fifth and largest planet in solar system is Jupiter. It is so large that it can occupy nearly 1300 Earth in it. Saturn. The sixth planet in our solar system is Saturn. It is also the second largest in planet. It has beautiful rings around it, which are made up of dust and ice. The seventh planet in our solar system is Uranus. It is covered by a thick layer of gases. Neptune. The eighth planet is Neptune. Cold wind blow here at very high speed due to farthest from the sun. These are all the eight planets in the solar system. Conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. Our Earth has only one satellite, that is Moon. The Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. The air has life supporting gases like oxygen. Because of these reasons, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system.